Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is one simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. Even a single tablet can save any houseplant. Many people are unaware of how important supplements are for plants. You can find vitamins and minerals right in your home medicine cabinet. With their help, the results of your gardening efforts will be amazing. All it takes is a little time to learn how to use them for your plants. Asparagine contains magnesium and potassium. A deficiency in these elements can cause yellowing of the leaves. Plants become weak and fail to bloom. With potassium and magnesium tablets, your plants will revive and grow more lush. Simply make a small hole in the soil, insert the tablet, cover it up, and water the plant. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll see a difference. Glycine is an amino acid that's a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Glycine enhances the absorption of nutrients through the roots and increases chlorophyll concentration. As a result, plant leaves and flower buds grow much better. Just dissolve 1 tablet in a liter of water and water your plants with it. Aspirin strengthens plants against diseases and accelerates their growth. Salicylic acid, found in aspirin, naturally occurs in plants and boosts their immune systems, protecting them from pests. Once every 2 months, dissolve 1 tablet in 50 milliliters of water. Use it as a spray or watering solution. Calcium is a component of cell walls, influencing their permeability, activating enzymes, neutralizing organic acids, and supporting root growth and development. It also aids in nitrogen absorption and enhances resistance to pests. Crush a tablet and dissolve it in 500 milliliters of water. Water your plants with it once every 3 weeks. Tryptophan reduces stress, preventing growth and development stunting in plants. It's ideal for plants that have been repotted or moved to a new location. Dissolve 2 capsules in water and use it to water your plants. Iodine works wonders for plant growth and health. It's widely used to combat fungal diseases and bacteria. Few people know that no bacteria have ever developed resistance to iodine. When your plants are sick and you're not sure what's wrong, give them iodine. Dissolve 5 tablets in a liter of warm water, let it cool, and then water your plants with it. This is the best way to store geraniums until spring. With this method, you'll enjoy beautiful flowers next year. Before the frost, dig up the geraniums from the garden or remove them from their pots. Shake off the excess soil from the roots. Remove all faded flowers and any new buds, as the geranium needs to focus its energy on surviving the winter rather than blooming. Also, remove any dried or diseased leaves. Next, prepare a paper bag and place the geranium inside, ensuring the entire plant fits inside, with only the roots sticking out. Tie the bag with string, but not too tightly. You can store the geraniums in a place where the temperature is between a few and around 10 degrees Celsius, such as a cellar or a cool cupboard. Make sure the bag is not exposed to direct sunlight. The bag can either hang or sit on a shelf. The important thing is that it's paper. And even if all the leaves drop, don't worry. This is normal. In spring, the plant will sprout new leaves, and once planted in the ground, it will revive even faster. Give this to your flowers, and even those scorched by the sun will revive. It's a supplement you can make at home, and it helps all weakened plants. If the leaves of your plants are sunburned or dried out, you can help your plant recover. All you need are supplements that you might already have in your medicine cabinet. Folic acid helps plants maintain healthy metabolism and DNA. Folic acid is also known as vitamin B9. It stimulates growth and accelerates flowering. Glycine is an amino acid that is a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Thanks to glycine, the process of photosynthesis proceeds correctly, resulting in healthy, greener leaves. Take 1 tablet of folic acid and 1 tablet of glycine. Crush them in a mortar and pestle as finely as possible. Transfer the crushed tablets into a container of water. Mix well until they are completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to spray the leaves of the plants, as well as to water them regularly. You will quickly notice an improvement. The plants will revive, become lush and green, and begin to bloom beautifully. Here's how to trim geraniums for winter using the Max 20 method. This will help them bloom even more beautifully next season. It's a quick and simple way to get your plants ready for winter dormancy and spring revival. Remove all faded flowers and any new shoots, as geraniums need to focus their energy on surviving the winter, not flowering. Also, take off any dried or diseased leaves. Geraniums require proper trimming before winter to survive the colder months and bloom beautifully the next year. The Max 20 method involves cutting the stems down to a maximum of 20 centimeters, which helps the plants focus energy on the roots and protects them from diseases. The best time to prune is before the first frost. This way, the geraniums will be ready for winter rest and spring revival. Once trimmed, the plant should have a compact, bushy form. Simply store them in a cool place and reduce watering, and they'll flourish in the spring. The fertilizer your plants need. It works wonders. Gardeners don't want you to know about it. Regular fertilization in small doses provides plants with essential nutrients, supporting their growth and resistance to diseases. As a result, your plants will be stronger, with lush, vibrant leaves and flowers. Here's how to do it. First, prepare the solution by dissolving half a gram of glucose in 1 liter of water. Mix well until the fertilizer is fully dissolved. Then, take a syringe to help with precise dosing. Fill it with the solution and gently drop it directly under the plants. Be careful not to overdo it. Just a few drops under each plant will suffice. You can use this method once a week or whenever your plants need it. This way, you'll give your plants exactly what they need without the risk of over-fertilization. This potato will make your flowers grow like crazy. Check out this simple way to make a homemade fertilizer that will have your plants blooming like never before. You'll make it using ingredients you already have at home. First, grab a potato and cut it in half. Then, peel each half. Next, grate the potato halves. Once grated, place the potatoes into a blender. Add 5 cloves and a liter of water. Blend everything thoroughly until you get a smooth mixture. Then, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any solid pieces. Pour the liquid into a bottle with a spout to make watering easier. Now, just water the soil around your flowers with this natural fertilizer. Regular use of this elixir will provide your plants with all the essential nutrients they need. You'll soon see them growing and blooming faster than ever. Just a handful is enough, and your flowers will bloom like crazy. They will be covered in blossoms and fill your entire balcony. Every pest will be avoided. See how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Pour a handful of rice into a glass. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. To the resulting paste, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Finally, pour the liquid into a spray bottle using a funnel. Your homemade spray is ready to use. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use and spray it on your flowers. This treatment provides essential nutrients to the plants and creates a protective barrier against pests. Your flowers will look beautiful and healthy thanks to this natural fertilizer.